How to hide your Facebook friends list. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you a simple way to hide your Facebook friends list. It's very simple and easy, just follow these simple steps. So first you need to open up your Facebook application and then at the bottom right you should click on menu. Next scroll down a little and here we need settings and privacy section, and then I tap on settings, then scroll down a little again. I need to tap on how people can find and contact you. Let's do this. Here I can see option who can see your friends list. I'll select it, and here I got some options: public, friends, and friends accept. I need to tap on more, and I now show two more options: specific friends and only me. I need to hide my friends list, so I just tap only me option, and let's go back and check if option is applied. Now I see who can see your friends list, only me. And now no one will see your friends if its option is available. So now you see how it's simple and easy. Make sure you liked this video if it was helpful for you. See you next time.